welcome back to my channel. This is Praharsha. I hope you're all doing great. I hope you're all doing fine. How have you been? What's going on? This video is going to be on what I'm going to read in the upcoming months because lately I've realized that it is very important to know things, to read things that shape you as a person, and also to have a deeper understanding on what's going on around, because it is very important to be on the right side of history, and also it is very important to know what's going on around you and what's happening. So yeah, these books give you a deeper knowledge of everything, politics, society, and all. Um, I actually don't think I'll get all the answers from these books, but hopefully, I'll be in a place where I can ask better questions. So, yeah, to know the society and to know the political affairs of our country on a deeper level, I have made a list of books. I've made some notes because I do not want to miss on points and I do not want to waste your time. So I have made this list of books. There are a couple of books which are popular, and there are a couple of books which are underrated as per the reviews. So yeah, the first of them is going to be 1984 by George Orwell, which is a popular book. I think many of you might have already read it. Also, truth depends on what those in power say it is. Yeah, I've lately been feeling that a lot. It's about how people's thoughts are controlled and people's perspectives are controlled, and how government has eyes on everyone. Yeah, so that is going to be my first book. And for my second book, I have this book called Annihilation of Caste by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. So this is a reread, you guys. I have read it before, but I've picked it again because I actually want to make notes on it, and hopefully I'll share it with you in my next video. So Annihilation of Caste by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. And I also plan on reading the other works by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, because we need to and we must, to know how caste works in our daily lives. And my third book is going to be Feminism is for Everybody by Bell Hooks, an introduction to the thought of feminism. So yeah, my third book is going to be Feminism is for Everybody by Bell Hooks. So yeah. And for my fourth book, it came as a surprise even for me because I was not planning, and I've been like scrolling, and then I saw many people say this book as being underrated, so I wanted to pick up and I actually want to read it. Maybe I'll start my reading with this. So the fourth book is going to be Why Loiter, Women at Risk on Mumbai Streets by Shilpa Phadke. So yeah, this book is going to be about how public spaces are differently experienced by women, and what freedom actually means, and how women view the world. I mean, it just intrigued me on a different level, you guys. I had to pick it up and I had to read it because there are so many interesting reviews about this book, and this is such an underrated book, they said. So yeah. And for my fifth book, I have this Everybody Loves a Good Trot by T. Sainath. Again, the man is known for his thoughts. This book is about how inequality works and how it affects the rural lives, and also it talks about rural India and the issues of rural India. Yeah, how inequality works. So these are the 5 books that I've picked up. So if you have read any of these books, give me a review or uh, tell me in the comment section, because I get to know something about, I get to learn something from you too. Because all that has been going around, all that has been going on these days, it's very important to know your stance, and it's very important to take a stand, to have a spine. I've seen many people on social media saying that they are neutral, saying that sitting on a fence and being apolitical. What do you mean by being apolitical? Because politics is everywhere. Politics, it's important to know how politics work in your daily life on a daily basis. It is everywhere, you guys. It's not some. It doesn't make you look cool if you are saying that politics doesn't interest me, or I'm not political. Have a spine, take a stand, and especially stand on the right side of the history, because there's so much injustice that's been going on and not talked about. Like, what do you mean by you are just scrolling away and not having something to say about it? Because one day it's going to be you, one day you are going to be affected because of all this, and there's no one left to talk because you haven't opened your mouth. So have a spine. People are being like, what do you get from all of this? Like, by talking on social media, that's how a word is spread, you guys. That's how, like, how do you think all this information is getting spread? How do you think all the info that's um, be it false narratives or be it the propaganda, how do you think all this is happening? Because it's important that you speak up. It's important to be on the right side of the history and educate other people, because you're privileged enough. There's so much going on, and I think if your blood is not boiling by seeing all of this, I don't think this channel is for you. I hope you find peace somewhere else, because I am going to talk about things when they are not going right. Because yeah, we live in a nation where being political is very important, you guys. If you're not someone who is interested in all of this, I really hope you find your peace somewhere else, because this is going to be a channel where truths, especially the hardest of them, will be spoken. And I will always talk about politics. I will always be political, and I will always pick up and recommend books that will be meaningful, and I do not intend to waste on your time. These are the 5 books that I picked up, and also I've been planning to read on the other works by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, like I said, and also I want to read this book called India After Gandhi by Ramchandra Guha, who's a historian. So yeah, and actually I planned I planned to read so much fiction, but looking around and it, it just doesn't feel right, man. My heart is just somewhere else, and yeah, I really hope I could do something. I could play my part. So I've decided to do this. I've decided to read and educate myself so that I could educate other people. So this is it for today's video. I'll meet you in my next one. Until then, keep reading, keep questioning, and keep growing. Take care.